Okay, once again, I want to show you guys something on the same app, that is the World Bank Pi app on the utility app. So let's go to mainnet apps. Uh, okay, we'll go to Hackathon 25 and we'll go to World Bank Pi. Okay, let's see. We are good to go. Okay, okay, well, let's continue. Allowed. Yes. So we have come back to the lesson, the app. I want to show something very, very lovely. Let's go to personal vault and see what is there. So on the personal vault, they'll ask you to connect your Pi wallet. So let's connect and see. We allow it. Yes. Wow. Here we are. So when you check, I have an available balance of 1.956 Pi. So let's go to see the equivalent. Wow. The equivalent total asset I have based on my available Pi, which is 1.956, is 614,350.49 US dollars. So which means that per the GCV value, my current available asset is 614,000 US dollars. That is what we are talking about. So GCV Pi is real. It is on the Pi utility apps, the mainnet apps. Yes, so they have started building up. Very soon, all the apps will surely activate the GCV apps. So don't let someone deceive you that Pi is not real, Pi is a scam, Pi is fake. Please keep mining and make sure that your account is safe and very safe. Something big is coming. Thank you so much. So as you can see, the total asset is 614,000 US dollars, which is equivalent to 1.956 available Pi balance I have. So they are saying that the asset is GCV, that is global consensus what value. So that is that. Thank you so much.